Good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's well and having a lovely day. Sammy at this moment is on a swing. He's saying good morning. Now, what I'd like to talk... Oh, dear. Almost a camera malfunction there. Now, what I'd like to talk to you about today is what budgies and people have in common. Now, there's hundreds of things we all have in common and we share. Now, I am going to name today 5, because I could go on and on all day on what budgies and people have in common. So I'll not bore you too much. Now, number 1, which is an important one. Budgies and people love being social. We are all social animals. You know, we like to interact, us with people and budgies. Oh, here she is. See, that's a prime example. She's just showing you, aren't you? Budgies love communication, and so do we. It helps with our mental health. Number 2, we love food. We all love to eat food, don't we? We all love food. Yes, you agree with that one, don't you? Yes. We all love food. Every day, we all look forward to something to eat. And that includes our feathery friends, doesn't it? No, don't worry, I'm not going to eat you. No, I know, the joke's on me. Number 3, we all love sleep. Oh, when we can sleep, that is. I mean, there's odd times when I don't get a wink of sleep. I must admit, I do not sleep at all. But probably self-inflicted. Little wheels in my head turning. But when we do sleep, and when I sleep, it's the best thing ever. And you're all refreshed, just like today. Because last night I did sleep. Boy, did I sleep. And it was wonderful. I slept like an absolute log, basically. Where am I up to? Is it number 4? Number 4. We all love to be bathed and clean. Budgies love to be clean too. And that's why they do it every single day. Yes, I give Sammy a bath once, sometimes even twice a week if I feel the need. But we all love to be clean. And number 5, what could number 5 be? We all love a clean environment. Now, in a previous video, you'll see me hoovering our house. Just a tinsy bit. But we all love a clean environment. We love to be clean. And budgies are the same. So cleaning your budgie out is important, even twice a week, if you can do that, even twice a week. Once is fine as well, but Budgies, did you know Budgies poo every 15 minutes? Every 15 minutes a budgie has a poo. I couldn't believe it myself when I read about it, but it's true. Every 15 minutes a budgie poos. Just thought, oh, if you're having your breakfast and watching me, I apologise. But it is true. It's a fact. Now, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. It's going quite exciting for me because I am going to nearly 100 subscribers. I think I'm four away. So the next 4 subscribers, if I do get any more, which I'm really hoping to, I'll be ever so grateful. And I'll even celebrate today if I can get 100 subscribers. If I do get 100 subscribers today, then I'll celebrate with everybody and I'll do something special. So thumbs up, subscribe, see you all later.